Across the diverse spectrum of industries, companies are leveraging computing power to solve complex problems, producing and handling even larger data volumes. At the same time, moving workloads to the cloud has increasingly become a path for companies to achieve better operational efficiency. Powerful, efficient, and better connected computing solutions matching high HPC workloads, massive data volumes, and evolving cloud computing demands. TE Connectivity's new LGA 4677 socket for top processor players allows companies to solve problems and drive solutions that impact both work and the daily lives of ordinary users. The LGA 4677 socket is designed to deliver an aggregate link bandwidth of up to 128 gigabits per second in X16 configurations for higher speed networking protocols and higher speed interconnections. The LGA 4677 also provides more memory channels to enable speed-intensive applications like AI or machine learning. When partnered with TE Connectivity DDR5 DIMM socket solutions and PCIe Generation 5, the TE LGA 4677 socket provides a total solution for supporting the data rates required by next-generation system architectures. With auto-assembly support, expect easier installations and much less reworks as the most competitively priced socket with world-class customer and FAE support. From hyperscale, next-gen servers, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or edge computing, the LGA 4677 connects like the world depends on it, because it does. Every connection counts. Learn more at te.com.